My name is Josh Holden, and I live in Denver, Colorado. Have you ever heard the saying, if you love what you do, you'll never work a day in your life? Well, I'm living proof of that. I own Colorado's oldest haunted house, along with a chain of escape rooms and e-commerce websites. I'm also an extreme sports junkie and addicted to traveling the world. What's up, guys? All right, we just finished the Pura Vida Waterfalls. It was 2 kilometers up and 2 kilometers down, which was ridiculous.
I'm dying.
I think we drank our fair share of beers last night, so don't recommend that before you do this hike. But it is absolutely beautiful. Saw a bunch of cool tree frogs, crabs, lizards, and the waterfalls are epic. So here's a little fast forward version of our hike. Check it out.
Woo.
I hold on to this storm 'cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me, left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder, and it's killing me, killing me. I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go. Call me please. I folded every thought like a razor, carving deep memories. Oh, am I standing at the wrong intersection? Come back to me, back to me. How could I let you go? How could I let you go? How could I let you go? How could I let you go?
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that. It's the Pura Vida Waterfalls down here in Jaco, Costa Rica. So it's about 20 minutes away from Jaco. So if you guys are down here, check it out. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to the channel. We do a new Work Hard, Play Hard vlog every Tuesday at 6 p.m. See you next week.
Woo!